A judge could start fining the state to try to boost school funding, I should say.
During a hearing today, attorneys brought up what happened when a judge in another state closed schools to try to get state leaders to act. Our Capitol reporter Michael Hyland is live in Raleigh. Michael, could that actually happen here?
The judge did ask about that today, but he says that is something he does not want to do. He's trying to figure out how to force state leaders to spend billions of dollars more on schools.
Keep going.
That's how the battle over school funding feels to Susan Book. It just keeps going.
It's been ignored. It's been ignored and ignored and ignored.
Her son Emerson has autism and relies on getting extra help at school.
We're just really fatigued with how long it's taking to get some basic essential resources to our children.
She joined pastors and other advocates for schools outside the legislature Monday. Just down the street, a judge was considering how to force them to fund the multi-billion-dollar Leandro plan, which is aimed at improving education. Terry Stoops is the director of the Center for Effective Education at the conservative John Locke Foundation.
It's more than just them refusing to listen to what the judge says. They proclaim, and I think rightly so, that their constitutional power allows them to make these decisions.
During a hearing Monday, Judge David Lee asked about what happened in Kansas when a judge there ordered schools to close to try to get leaders to act. Even though the judge said that's not something he wants to do, Republican Senate leader Phil Berger called him unhinged for even talking about it. Lawyers also brought up issuing fines. A court in Washington fined the state $100,000 a day for nearly 3 years.
He's looking for something that will get their attention and possibly force them to comply with his court orders.
Democratic Governor Roy Cooper and the Republicans are still negotiating a state budget, with no indication when they'll get an agreement.
The fact that we're still fighting over this with Leandro is just absolutely ludicrous to me at this point.
The judge is giving state leaders 3 weeks to try to resolve their differences. In the meantime, he's asked attorneys in the case to tell him how they think he should force them to do that. Live in Raleigh, Michael Hyland, CBS 17 News.
All right, Michael, thank you.